Dang. Let's get out of here.
I fix them right up, and I make them better. Oh.
YouTube creators, they always put out these spectacular videos, and it's telling you how you can't build a project fast enough to sell it to everybody that wants to buy it, or how you'll make Ed McMahon's millions off of a stack of 2x4s. All of those things are great. It's great to have motivation and hype, but I thought I'd show you a little different benefit, maybe something a little bit more accurate. The practicality of being able to make things when you need them. See, recently I found myself needing a coffee table, and I was going to build one for this week's video, but then I ended up looking on Marketplace, and I saw somebody that was giving away a desk, and after this ding dong gets out of the middle of the road, I'll have it back home, and I'll be able to show you how I turned that desk into just what I needed pretty quickly.
Hey guys, I'm Micah to Make Stuff. Hang on. Welcome to my house. Come on in. This is the spot in front of my sofa in the living room. I'm kind of missing something. But I think, say hi to my dad's guitar. Hi. But I think I found a way to get that fixed. Give me a second. Let's go out here. Alright, so that desk was pretty much available for free. Somebody posted this morning on Marketplace. A little bit on the high side, but I got an idea. So there it is in all its dusty, rusty glory. But my plan is, if I take these dang legs down a little bit, I could drop it down to coffee table height. Should work out just fine. Right, so here's the plan. This thing's a little long, but it's got a pretty basic bottom section here. I think I'm going to take this height out of it, which will bring the whole thing down to coffee table height. Don't worry, it looks like it's some kind of antique secretarial something, but it's actually plywood. It's nothing. But I'm going to go ahead and chop this down and then reseat everything. I'll probably cut this flush on this side and here. Cut it flush on the other side as well. And then what that'll do is that let me move everything up until I can screw this directly to the bottom of the desk. It has a cross member under here. And I'll be able to screw the two of these together. Simple enough. We'll be good to go. This jockey, I actually got it. It's the light thing filter for one of those old school big screen TVs. Well, for the brand blocking price is free. So let's get ready. Cool cable, storage. There we are. Listen, there's a lot of people that will tell you a lot of shit, especially on YouTube or social media or anywhere on the internet. Nothing is easy and free. If it was, they probably wouldn't bother telling you. They'd keep it to themselves. Just keep your head on right. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't ever sleep on something nice and easy.
I fix them right up, and I make them better.